everyone, I Birjuk Kaur from class 8C. I read Nikal Kani Shimuksas Ahe. Today I am going to show you chemistry present in our everyday life. So let's start.
So our first item is soap. It is used by us for bathing and for washing our hands. Its formula is C17H35 COO and A. Our second item is salt. It is used by us for flavoring in food. Its formula is NaCl. Our third item is toothpaste. It is used by us for brushing our teeth. Its formula is C12H7Cl3O2. Our fourth item is sugar. It is used by us in many things. Its formula is C12H22O11. Our fifth item is chalk. It is used by us for writing on blackboard. Its formula is CaCO3. Our sixth item is aspirin. It is used by us as a medicine. Its formula is C9H8O4. Seventh item is caustic soda. It is used by us in many things. Its formula is NaOH. Eighth item is baking powder. It is used by us in cooking. Its formula is NaHCO3. Our ninth item is detergent. It is used by us for washing our clothes. Its formula is C18H29NaO3S. Tenth item is vinegar. It is used by us in cooking. Its formula is CH3COOH. So our next item is nail polish remover. It is used by ladies to remove nail polish from their nails. Its formula is CH32CO. Our next item is bleaching powder. It is used by us in many ways. Its formula is CaClO2. Our last item is mothballs. It is used to kill moth and fabric pest. Its formula is C10H8. So I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.